Hi everyone, this is Bianca from Shanghai Huizi Cosmetics Company. Today we are going to talk about our factory, the company, some new crafts, different series, and the right instructions of how we apply nail polish stickers and some new products. First, we'd like to let you guys know that we have so many different designs in stock, so you can just pick up your preferred designs. And also we do the customization orders. All you have to do is to provide a picture and our professional designers will do the designing artwork for you. Of course, samples are available, so if you are interested in our products, you can just pay for the shipping. The goods will be delivered to you in 5 to 7 days. And next we are talking about the Shanghai Huizi Cosmetics Company, which is dedicated to create a new experience of nail art, trying to save time for the ladies who love beauty. You know, the continuous nail art may hurt your nail bed and the makeup removal can become more difficult. So, since now the nail art has entered a new stage of fast fashion consumption, in 2019 the company established a research and development and center in Oriental Beauty Valley in Shanghai with 2 doctors, 4 postgraduates, and more than 60 workers. Make great effort to build an industry-style enterprise. Today we are going to talk about our different series we have for now. First one is our S series. See, the S series has 16 tips in 2 sheets, and its packaging looks like this. It's very popular in Asian market. It has so different designs like the solid color, ombre, and so on. Next one is our best-selling one product, DB series. It has 16 tips and it has so many different designs like ombre, glitter, transparent, semi-transparent pearl, big glitter, and so on. It has 2 kinds of packaging, the white one and black one. It also sells very well in many different countries. Next one is our jacket series, also 2 kinds, the 20 tips and 22 tips. Last one is the LC series, which is very high quality and lasts for longer time, and it has 20 tips in 2 sheets. Next, don't forget to try samples. See, there are only 2 tips there, fits for your 2 fingers. After that, we are going to talk about the designing team. You know, the nail art designing team was established in 2010. It composed of young team of youth, passion, vitality, and innovative. It has strong cohesion and is a nail art designing team that continues to develop the goods with a collective wisdom. The team members are composed of the art and painting students in the college of the whole country. They have unique wisdom and professional techniques, the vitality and innovative spirit. Every young designer has undergone the professional designing course and is proficient in design creation. Besides, as an excellent designing team, the designers use a strong sense of responsibility and superb skills with rich artwork experience and professional designing quality to provide our customer with noble, vivid, and excellent nail artworks, which was highly praised by our new and old customers. We are in the road of survival of the nail artworks by our reputation. In unremitting progress, we are trying to enhance and improve our nail art, be brave to innovative in the great effort to build our own brand in the technical progress and inspires to chase the trend of times. Besides, we also have the qualifications of EU SGS certificates. Finally, our company has a strong designing team, so if our clients have the needs of customization, we can provide the AI, JPG design crafts or sample pictures. Our company will offer you very professional pictures for the customer to confirm the order, specifications, quantity, and shipping time. And you can also pay in for like 30% as deposit. We arrange production according to your deposit. So make sure to place an order as soon as possible so you can receive it early. And that's all. Thank you guys today. Bye.